What is the GJB2 gene and hearing loss? Imagine a tiny gene that plays a big role in how we hear. That gene is called GJB2, and it produces a protein known as connexin 26. This protein is essential for the inner ear to work properly. It forms channels called gap junctions, which are like tiny bridges between cells. These bridges allow ions and small molecules to pass through, helping keep the ear's environment balanced. This balance is crucial for the sensory hair cells in the cochlea, the part of the ear that detects sound, to function correctly. One key job of connexin 26 is recycling potassium ions, which are vital for transmitting sound signals to the brain. Without this recycling process, the hair cells can't do their job, leading to hearing difficulties. Mutations or changes in the GJB2 gene are the most common genetic cause of hereditary hearing loss worldwide. When the gene mutates, it can disrupt the production or function of connexin 26. This disruption hampers the ion exchange process in the inner ear, causing sensorineural hearing loss. This type of hearing loss happens when the inner ear or nerve pathways involved in hearing are damaged. Most cases related to GJB2 mutations are non-syndromic, meaning they occur without other health issues or symptoms. There are two main ways GJB2 mutations are inherited. The first is autosomal recessive inheritance, which is the most common. This means a person needs to inherit two copies of the mutated gene, one from each parent, to have hearing loss. This form is usually present at birth and can range from mild to profound loss. The severity often depends on the specific mutation. For example, mutations that produce a shortened, non-functional connexin 26 tend to cause more severe hearing loss. The second pattern is autosomal dominant inheritance, which is less common. In this case, just one mutated copy of GJB2 can cause hearing loss, often with a later onset and progressive nature. This form might affect high-frequency hearing more and can vary from mild to profound. Most GJB2-related hearing loss cases are non-syndromic, meaning they do not involve other health issues like skin or hair problems. However, some rare mutations can be linked to syndromic forms where hearing loss occurs alongside other symptoms. Because this hearing loss is genetic, early diagnosis through genetic testing can be very helpful. While there is no cure for the genetic mutation itself, interventions like hearing aids or cochlear implants can greatly improve hearing and quality of life. Regular hearing assessments are important because some mutations can cause hearing loss to worsen over time. In summary, the GJB2 gene is vital for maintaining the inner ear's ionic balance through the connexin 26 protein. Mutations in this gene interfere with this process, leading to the most common form of genetic hearing loss. The severity and progression depend on the specific mutation involved. Early detection and appropriate management can make a big difference in helping individuals hear better and live fuller lives. If you or your family have concerns about hearing loss, consulting a healthcare professional or a genetic counselor can provide personalized guidance based on your situation.